Hi, Natalie. I took your file and I just started going through it. The first thing I noticed was down here, you were getting an error that said an unreachable statement because in here you said while false. So if you put while false in here, that means the rest of the code was never going to run because that while statement would always be false. So it wouldn't let you compile. So I changed it to say while user is not equal to secret number, which brings me to the second issue. So you were using user guess somewhere else in here where you were getting incompatible types. That's because user guess was a string. You needed to, whenever you were comparing the user's guess, you needed to use user and compare it to the secret number. Otherwise, you were trying to compare an integer to a string. So anywhere where you had a user guess, I changed it to user. Also, you had these mixed up. When the user is greater than the secret number, the message should be that the guess was too high. And when the user was less than the secret number, the guess was too low. Now, something else once I got rid of the errors, I started playing your game. And every time I ran your game, whatever the lower limit was, that was what the secret number was. So I think the problem was that you had parentheses in the wrong place. So what I did is I pulled this out. I said upper limit minus lower limit equals this new variable diff. And then I took math.random times diff, and then I cast it to be an int. And now that seems to be working. And there was one more thing. When you were reading in the user guess, you were reading it in as a next line. So I just changed that to next. I guess I don't really know if you needed to do that, but everything seems to be working now. So I'll just run it for you. And I did put in, I know what else I did here. You had this statement in here that said something for testing the secret number is. I concatenated that with the secret number. So that's how I knew the secret number was kind of messed up. All right, so I'm not using very big numbers. So 0 to 5. So the secret number is 4. So I'm going to guess 3. It's too low. I'm going to guess 5. It's too high. I'm going to guess 4. And everything seems to be working except this number of guesses. So I'm going to let you figure that one out, and I'm going to send this back your way. So I hope that helps. I'm glad you asked me questions. That's what I'm here for. If you have any other issues, let me know. Thank you.